The role of a Salesforce functional consultant involves working closely with clients to understand their business needs and translate them into effective technical solutions within the Salesforce platform. Their primary responsibilities including 1. Gathering requirements from stakeholders. 2. Configuring Salesforce functionality to meet those requirements without writing much code. 3. Creating business processes and workflows within Salesforce. 4. Acting as a liaison between stakeholders and technical teams to ensure clarity and alignment. 5. Testing and validating implemented solutions to confirm they meet the client's expectations. Developing a solid foundation in Salesforce basics is essential before delving into technical development. A good way to start is by obtaining the Salesforce Administrator certification. This certification provides a strong base in understanding Salesforce's core functionalities, such as the platform's user interface, navigation, user administration, data modeling, automation tools, and security. Once you have the Administrator certification, you can move on to the Salesforce Platform App Builder certification. This certification builds upon your administrator knowledge, focusing on declarative development, enabling users to construct applications without the need for coding. It covers object models, Salesforce relationships, and declarative development techniques. Learning Salesforce development requires an understanding of Apex, the core programming language within the Salesforce platform. Key areas to focus on in your study include 1. Apex classes and objects. Apex is an object-oriented programming language, so understanding classes and objects is fundamental to building applications. 2. Apex triggers. Triggers are used to automate actions based on data changes, allowing you to implement custom logic within Salesforce. 3. DML operations, data manipulation language. Apex supports various DML operations like insert, update, delete, and query, using which you can interact with data within Salesforce. Visualforce is mainly used in legacy Salesforce systems, but it's still crucial to understand its basic concepts. Key areas to focus on include 1. Visualforce pages and components. Customize user interfaces by creating pages and individual components like input fields, buttons, or tables. 2. Apex controllers. Visualforce pages often use Apex controllers to manage data and business logic. Controllers allow you to manipulate data, perform calculations, and access the Salesforce database. Lightning Web Components LWC is the modern framework for building responsive user interfaces in Salesforce. To effectively learn LWCs, focus on 1. JavaScript ES6 Plus features. LWCs leverage modern JavaScript features like promises, async await. These features simplify handling async operations and improve performance. 2. LWC Component Lifecycle Hooks. Learn how LWC components interact with the Salesforce platform during their lifecycle. 3. Event handling between components. Master how to communicate between different LWC components to construct interactive user experiences. As a Salesforce technical consultant, you might frequently find yourself integrating Salesforce with other systems and apps. To effectively do this, focus on 1. Salesforce APIs, REST API. Learn how to set up and leverage Salesforce REST APIs to build custom endpoints for communication with external apps. SOAP API. Understand how to use the Salesforce SOAP API for integrating with older systems. Bulk API. Learn how to use the Salesforce Bulk API for high-volume data import and export operations. Streaming API. Familiarize yourself with real-time data streaming using the Salesforce Streaming API. In addition to understanding various Salesforce APIs, you may also need to use middleware tools to integrate Salesforce with other enterprise applications. MuleSoft. MuleSoft is commonly used to integrate Salesforce with diverse enterprise systems. MuleSoft's Anypoint platform offers an extensive range of connectors and integration capabilities. Other tools. 1. Talend. Talend provides an integration platform for complex data integration, including Salesforce. 2. Informatica. Similar to MuleSoft and Talend, Informatica offers data integration solutions for Salesforce and other systems. 3. Zapier. For more straightforward integrations, particularly in small-scale environments, Zap. Integrating Salesforce with external systems typically involves handling authentication and authorization. OAuth, Open Authorization, is a critical protocol for secure authorization in these scenarios. Familiarize yourself with 1. OAuth protocol. Understand how the OAuth protocol works and how it allows Salesforce to grant limited, secure access to third-party applications without sharing user passwords. 2. Auth providers and flows. Familiarize yourself with the various OAuth authentication flow options, including authorization code, implicit, and the Salesforce-specific custom Apex Auth flow. As a Salesforce technical consultant, when integrating Salesforce with external systems, you should also focus on the following resources. 1. Salesforce developer documentation. Thoroughly review the documentation for each API, which includes examples and code snippets to help you understand their functionality and usage. 2. MuleSoft training programs. Consider enrolling in MuleSoft training programs to learn about API-led connectivity and integration. MuleSoft's API-led solution methodology can help streamline integrations, improve security, and promote reusability. Essential skills as a Salesforce technical consultant involves improving your ability to solve problems, communicate effectively, and continuously learn. 1. Problem-solving skills are critical. You often need to address issues and find creative solutions. 2. Communication skills are also crucial since you'll work with different teams and stakeholders. Being able to understand requirements and explain technical concepts is essential. 3. Continuous learning is key as Salesforce evolves over time. Staying updated with new features, technologies, and best practices helps you stay up to date and effective in your role. By focusing on building a strong foundation in the fundamentals of Salesforce, acquiring in-demand technical skills, and embracing a mindset of continuous learning and development, you can become a successful Salesforce technical consultant. This journey will require you to gain expertise in Salesforce's various components, develop problem-solving and communication skills, and stay up to date with the latest developments within the Salesforce ecosystem. With dedication and continuous effort, you can establish yourself as a valuable and sought-after Salesforce technical consultant.